What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a pretty unique AI crypto opportunity that I do believe is still in its extremely early phases and is doing something that I think should have been done a long time ago. But am I glad to at least see it being done now? Now, remember, as always, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash that like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, the overall cryptocurrency market has been showing some truth strengths. Bitcoin above 70,000 holding strong, Ethereum at 39.50, Solana still above right around $150. Things are looking good overall, and we're seeing that in the last 7-day price action. BTC up 12.5, ETH up 13%. But if you guys see on CoinMarketCap, there are different categories of cryptocurrencies: memes, Solana ecosystem, gaming, and AI, which I believe are going to be pretty much the hot topics coming into this bull run. But what I want to dive into specifically in today's video is the AI sector. We see there are many different AI crypto projects. Overall, the market cap of AI is right around $43 billion when it comes to cryptocurrency projects, and volume is a little less than 5 billion. And I believe that this is going to be a multi-trillion dollar infrastructure over the next days, weeks, and months. And you guys know on this channel, I've talked about many different AI projects, especially PAL being one of our biggest winners, up about over 150x from our initial conversation when it was at a mere $1 million market cap. So today it's coming in right around, I believe it's sitting at 584 million. So you can do the math. I said 150x, but that's more of 584x multiple on PAL if you got in early. But what I want to talk about today is a completely different project. It's not even listed amongst these top cryptocurrencies because its market cap is still so low. And you can see the bottom of the bottom here. You can see smaller AI projects, but the one I'm going to talk about today is actually Contract Dev AI. I'll have all the information down below, of course, in the description, like I always do for newer cryptocurrency projects. And make sure you stick around for the whole video to talk about price action, talk about what it is that they're doing that's actually unique, that's going to help the crypto ecosystem moving forward. So Contract Dev AI, presenting an innovative solution to the common problem of solidity contract generation. Deploy your smart contracts today through our Dev AI deployer bot with no coding knowledge required. I think a lot of people are going to come into crypto trying to launch certain projects because it's a really easy way to get funding for significantly good ideas, whether it's a meme coin that could be viral or a utility project with just some really cool tech behind it. ERC, Solana, whatever it might be, regardless of the blockchain that you're trying to deploy on, it's something that is a barrier of entry. So if there's a way to make that easier, then why not go for it? So I'm going to actually go in, instead of going completely through their audited website, their audited contract, and everything else that makes it safe-fu, in my opinion, I'm going to go through a thread that I shared on CT or Crypto Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter if you're not, and I'll explain why towards the end. So I said here, I shared with you all different AI coins over the last 8 months, like PAL, Vault, and Scans. Now I'm sharing with you OX or 0x Dev, which was at the time of that writing, $2.39 million market cap. In this thread, we'll talk about why I'm extremely bullish, I said. This was March 3rd, 10 days ago, with 35,000 views or impressions. And it's been great to read. Dev AI is a web application and Telegram bot that develops smart contracts on the Solana, ETH, and BSC, plus many, many more, AVAX, you name it, blockchains. This is only the beginning. Here's an example of a contract being deployed in less than 60 seconds on Dev AI's Telegram bot. You can see that literally live on this tweet. You go in, you choose what chain you want to go on, what kind of contract you want to make. Is it a trigger burn? Is it a quick deploy? Because oftentimes you guys see cryptocurrencies that boom, say Elon made a tweet that's funny or viral, and then quickly thereafter you might see a token launch regarding that narrative. And people ask, how in the world did someone deploy so quick? Well, Contract Dev AI might be the way they've done it or the ways they're going to do it in the future. So you want to make sure you're at least in the know of how this stuff happens. Regardless, you could see here, you select the wallet type, you can select deploy. Everything is done and it's automated through their artificial intelligence system via their Telegram bot that they've developed, created, and it's become soundproof. It's something so easy to use, so simple, and it's working at 100% capacity. And that's my favorite part. Oftentimes in previous bull runs or previous market conditions, we hear about teams looking to do something, not actually have a working product that is fully functional. But again, DevAI has this working here: transfer successfully, deployed contract, opening trading, please wait, trade enabled, successful. Now that contract that you saw made in 60 seconds on their Telegram bot was completed. Let's keep going. DevAI team has established an extremely competitive multi-stream revenue share model that can be found on their website. And I can reference that in a little bit here. As the bull run approaches, a lot of new developers will be entering the crypto Web3 space, and I believe a significant portion will want to use DevAI as it significantly simplifies the process. More of the information regarding the contract address, socials, and of course the Telegram and website. You guys know I say it time and time again. Always do your research, do your due diligence. You guys hear that from me on a day-to-day basis. OXDev, absolutely going parabolic. Pretty much a 2.5x since initial mention, which was on March 10th, right around here. And since then, we've seen this thing kind of do well. I'm looking at the 12-hour chart right now. $6.63 million market cap, $529,000 in their liquidity pool, 458,000 24-hour trade volume. They have a 5.5 tax that helps also with the revenue generation, as a part of their taxes do go back to holders. So again, at 5.5 with $500,000 of trade volume, I mean, you're talking some significance here. You're $40,000, $50,000 in taxes over the last day. More importantly, again, is what they're doing and how they are doing it. So again, you need to go in and try these things for yourself. Go in and utilize their bot. Look at what they've done in the past. And you can see here, there's different contracts, and even within the contract and deployment, there is a fee that is charged. And what's most exciting, to be honest with you guys, is not even this thread that I mentioned. What happened about yesterday? DevAI successfully launched their first IDO because they have a utility called the OX or 0x pad, and it yielded a 7x return for those that got in on launch. Again, utilizing their Telegram bot and their AI system, they were able to launch a project through their launch pad that ended up actually yielding a 7x return, 700% gain after. So after that successful launch, and of course they do a buyback of a significant amount from the money raised during those launches. The chart was up 51%, surpassing its previous all-time high. And as I mentioned here, it went literally thermonuclear into a parabolic run. I believe DevAI is completely and very much undervalued, and I say that with true confidence. We've seen what AI does. AI and crypto, I think, are going to be the two hottest topics going into this bull run. Anything with AI that functions, works, and has a working team, I think is going to do well. I believe that this is a project that could do multi-hundred, maybe even multi-billion-dollar market cap, depending on what happens to the overall AI space. But again, OXDev or DevAI has the potential, I think, at least to be a conservative 20 to 30x from current price. So again, we're talking over $100 per coin incoming. So with that being said, be prepared, not surprised always, because when they panic, you guys know what I always say, we pounce. DYOR, do your own research, do your due diligence, and never buy into projects just because they're mentioned on a channel. I'm an investor in this project. I put in some of my own money, and I'm excited to see where this project goes. I appreciate your support. That's all I had, and until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.